Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to select settlement announcement in your Paytm SoundBox. This is the Paytm SoundBox. So let's change it. Firstly, you have to download this application, Paytm for Business application. Tap on here. Now it will open. So here it will show this SoundBox. Tap on here now. So it will show here, it is showing all the details, network, battery, change settings. Tap on here, it will show settlement announcement at 3 at 7 to 8 a.m. and click on change. You can turn on and off from here also. Click on change. Now you can just click on any of the morning, afternoon and evening, at also at the night. And after you select it, then you have to click on the save button and it will be saved. So when you just save, the newest payment will be speak out loud for this box, and it will remind you about the payments. So you can see here are the things. Your SoundWorks will play the status of your latest settlements at the selected time. You can change announcement time by clicking on change. For example, if you select 9 a.m., then your SoundBox will play the status of your settlement at 9 a.m. or when you start the SoundBox. So when you just start the SoundBox, it will repeat the payment history. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.